Alright, we've got a part printed in ABS that has little lines in it, and we're going to try to vapor bathe these out and make a smooth surface. So I built a little platform here with some aluminum foil. I'm going to fill this lid with some water, and that's going to keep a vapor barrier, keep the gas from escaping. Put the part back in the middle. Got big pickle jar here. It's been cleaned thoroughly. Inside are some paper towels and some cardboard stuffed in to hold them in place. I've got just some dollar store acetone, 100% acetone. The thing about acetone is it is a solvent for ABS plastic. So by filling the top part of the container with the liquid, the heavier vapors as they come off are going to sink down to the bottom, and they're going to saturate the part and hopefully make it really shiny for us. So let's give this a good dose. I may have to pour off the excess myself. Alright, now that we got the top of this filled up and making sure that it doesn't fall down, slowly drop it over the part. Oops. Well, I can clean up water easier than I can clean up chemicals. The bubbles that you see are actually the gas escaping the water. Alright, we've let this set for about an hour, and now I'm going to try to take this lid off without ruining the part. Turn this. Whoa. Alright, thank you. Alright, it's still got to set for one more hour, and that's because it's going to continue to polish that surface as it evaporates off. If we were to leave it in there longer, it would potentially ruin the surface. So about a sweet spot of an hour from what I understand. So we're going to leave it for our time lapse and come back and check it in 1 hour, but so far it looks pretty good. Alright, we're finally finished. It is set for 2 hours. It looks pretty smooth and shiny. Before I touch it, I'll just show the complete curing. It should be hardened, but just in case it's not, I've got gloves on. Testing the bottom. Yep, it looks like the part's hardened. As you can see, it's got a great shine to it, and yet we'll keep that forever. It's easier to keep this clean. It actually makes the surface stronger because it solidifies the layers, but it keeps bacteria from growing in between the layers and things like that. If you ever do parts that are like kitchenware, drink cups, or things like that, you can vapor them to make them more hygienic. But that's it.